covering that, keeping it from getting infected. The big ones,
Set this up.
the small ones, and you have some mid-sized non-stick ones. After that, you have antiseptic wipes. These are, I guess, kind of like baby wipes. They're for like, let's say I have a cut and there's muddle over it. I open up one of these and I wipe it off. That's how you clean it. With alcohol prep pads, okay? These are exactly what it sounds like for prepping something, right? Once I'm done cleaning off the dirt, whatever might be covering my cut, I take this and I actually disinfect it. From there, we have hand sanitizer, we have antibiotics, and we have various bandages. So, we have a big one for, like, let's say you skin your knee. This is going to be pretty big. I'm put that on there. And we have a bunch of small ones. We also have, I forget what these are called. These are kind of for, like, keeping something shut. So if you have a cut with, like, some stitches that you want to keep shut, yeah. It's like exactly like stitches. You're keeping it shut. Dax, do you have a question?
I just like the one of the names of the butterfly.
There we go. Okay. Does everybody have this?
It should be on there.
Raise your hand if you have the first aid case. Like with you right now. Okay. If you have it, but it's not on you, go grab it. Move.
Wait, we already did
Emilio. You don't have it because you already have it. Oh. You don't have anything? Here's the empty. Sanchez. Okay, who? Raise your hand if you don't have one of these. Sanchez, keep them raised. Sanchez, can you grab them? They're in one of the boxes over there. Raise, he's coming around.
I want to take it off. Oh my God. Look, you need water. Look, you need water. Oh my God. Is this
Sgt Tobin.
No. He's just, some of them don't have these.
Yeah, she's got a question.
Some of them haven't been issued yet. So.
First aid kit?
Same right here. Okay, young Marines, ears.
Open.
Okay. Everybody has one of these now, correct?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Sergeant?
Sergeant.
Everybody has one of these, correct?
Yes, Sergeant.
Okay. We're going to start off. I forgot to mention this is a cold compress.
Dax, Gavin, pay attention.
Off your phones and lock it up. First one that's going to go in is this one. Okay? You're going to put it in long ways against the wall. Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
Go by size. This is the next biggest one. The big sterile prep pad. You're going to put that in against the ice pack. Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
Gab, Dax, you don't have your first aid kit, right?
We're going to put these in long ways like this, or sideways like this. Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
small sterile pads. Everybody hold up your 6 small sterile pads.
Hold them up.
Colt, hold them up.
Pads and hold them up so the sergeant can see them.
You should have 6 of them. Not seeing any over here.
Hold
They're
them up.
small sterile pads.
There should be 6.
You have 6. Everybody has 6, correct?
Yes, Sergeant.
Everybody has 6, correct?
Yes, Sergeant.
Okay. You're going to put first 3 in. Right here. Everybody see this? Right there. You're going to put the next 3 in behind it. Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
Okay, everybody hold up your 3 big bandages. Should 3. Already sorted for you. Should not be that hard to find. There we go. Okay. Line them up like this. You're going to put it behind your small sterile pads. Got it?
Sergeant.
Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
Guys, I need a response. Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
Next, you're going to take your antiseptic wipes. Okay? There should be 7. See that? There's 7 here. Everybody see that? Hold them up. Seven antiseptic wipes. Juliana, you have yours?
Yeah, there it is.
Don't put them in yet.
What does it exactly say on it?
What?
What does it exactly say on it? Because I wrote
It
it.
says antiseptic towelette with the same tech on top.
Yeah, I gotta find that. Oh, let's go. I found it.
Not put them in until everybody has them. Hold them up.
Let's go. I found it.
Okay. Okay. All right. We're gonna put first 3 duos in sideways. We're gonna put them behind your 3 big bandages. We're going to take the last one. We're going to put it next to the 3 duos, like this. See that? We're gonna slide it in here. Everybody see that?
Sergeant.
Everybody see that?
Yes, Sergeant.
I can hear you guys. You gotta speak up.
Yes, Sergeant.
Everybody hold up your 6 alcohol prep pads.
Oh, let's go. I actually found it.
High five.
There's 6 of them. Hold them up.
I actually found it.
6 alcohol prep pads. Okay. Pay attention. You're going to put these in long ways. You're going to put them on this side, okay? So you're going to put them in front of that one single prep pad, the alcohol prep pad. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Sergeant.
Next, you're going to take your butterfly bandages. Everybody see these? One long strip. Hold them up.
Let's hope I find them.
Okay. Lock it up. What you do is you're going to fold it in half. You're going to put it in long ways like this. You're going to put it in the front. And front of the small, in front of the small sterile pads. Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
Got it?
Yes, Sergeant.
See, it's in front up here. Everybody see
So
that?
again, where are they training?
In front of the sterile pads. Those 6 sterile pads, you're going to put it in front of there. See where it is? I'm going to slide it in here. Right, next. You should have 3 packs of hand sanitizer and 3 packs of antibiotics. Quiet, listen to my voice. Jack, you have antibiotics on the floor. You should have 3 packs of hand sanitizer, 3 packs of antibiotics. Hold them up.
I got it.
Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to put them next to your butterfly bandages. You're just going to slide them in there. Everybody got that in? Everybody got that in?
Yes, Sergeant.
I need a response.
Sergeant.
But every time, okay?
Yes, Sergeant.
Every time, okay?
Yes, Sergeant.
Sergeant, ears.
Open.
We're trying to get through this class, all right? She's trying to help you how to pack your first aid kit. We have noise in the back. We don't need no sidebar BS's, okay? So pay attention to what's going on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, all that's left should be these small bandages. This is the only thing that should be left on the table besides the tape. Small bandages, everybody see this?
And this.
Yes. We're not putting that in there. We're not putting